If you're craving for a McChicken burger but you don't want to leave home, let's make it right in your kitchen. In today's video, I will show you how to make it with few simple steps. But before starting the recipe, if you are new to our channel, please click on subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Let's get started. We will start by marinating 1200 gram of chicken mince. Add 3 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1.5 teaspoon of paprika powder, 3 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix everything well. Then place the mince into the chopper to create a smooth texture. Now shape the mince into the patties. Each patty is about 65 grams. This recipe makes around 20 patties. Pop them into the freezer for 1 hour. For the perfect crispy coating, prepare 2 cups of breadcrumbs, 1 cup of flour and 3 beaten eggs. Coat each patty in flour, dip it in egg, then roll it in breadcrumbs. For the perfect crispiness, now it's time to deep fry them. Heat oil in a pan and deep fry the patties until golden brown from both sides. Once done, set them aside. For the classic burger sauce, combine 1.5 cup of mayo, 1.5 teaspoon of vinegar, 1.5 teaspoon of mustard paste and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir until smooth and creamy. For assembling, grab a toasted burger bun, spread a generous amount of sauce, layer on fresh lettuce, place the crispy patty and some sauce and finish it with the top of the bun. And there you have it, a mouth-watering homemade McChicken burger that is crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Perfect for a quick meal. Do try this out and give us a feedback. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking.